Tonight we are here for the world premiere of the Joseph film. This movie features a cast from both Ghana as well as the Caribbean. This is an exciting movie that explores self-identity. It's the journey of a Jamaican doctor who makes that life-changing trip to Ghana to explore his ancestral roots. So we're here on the red carpet for the Joseph premiere. We're here with some fabulous attendees. What are you looking most forward to about this film?
Since the inception of the film, I was around the first day they came to the country. And so seeing Ghana, Jamaica, Barbados coming to Ghana to produce this film, I think is a big achievement for us to be part of it. And then for the coming at this time was just the right time of the year of return.
This film is meant to be an inspiration and is an honor to our own, the late Jake Otanka Obetsebi Lamti, who birthed the Joseph Project back in 2007.
We already had a project by the late Jake Otanka Obetsebi Lamti. So when the team initially from Barbados came through to the office and were looking for facilitation for this film to be produced. So we've gone all out to make sure that they had the necessary support. And more so when it is happening in the year of return.
So we're here to celebrate the movie. The cast are here, the producers are here. It's fun, and this is what the year of return is supposed to be. A celebration of the resilience of the African spirit and a celebration of what we stand for as Africans.
I'm very excited about this film, Joseph. For it to happen in the year of return is just fantastic. As a collaboration among three countries, Ghana, Jamaica, and Barbados, I think it cements what the year of return is all about. Reaching out to our kith and kin in the diaspora and making sure that after so many years, we really are getting together.
I think it was a spiritual journey when I came here.
So we're here with the star of the show, Kivoy Burton. You did a fantastic job in this movie.
Thank you so much.
Playing the character, did you find that the role, because the father was not happy with his son having any interest in going to Africa. Is this a common thing that you find in Jamaica and in the Caribbean? And if so, why do you think that is?
There's a false idea that has been promulgated throughout the Caribbean that Africans are very poor, and when you see an African on TV, it's always a child with a big gut and flies pitching all over their face. So Africa seems scary. And I think that's what people hold on to because that's the representation we get. And a lot of people, even now, when I say, hey, I want to move to Africa, people are like, you want to move to Africa? Why? But Africa is beautiful, people. You should come.
Amazing to see so many of you here. I hope you like the film.
You played the wife of Kweku.
I did, the grieving wife.
What was your favorite part about being in this film?
I think just getting to meet the actors, getting to meet the producer and the director. A female director is always so empowering to have on a set, and somebody that wants to tell such a story. And everybody was just rallying around her, and we just had one tunnel, focus and vision. And I think that was just beautiful. But I've met all these people from Jamaica, and I want to go to Jamaica.
I would say this is the movie that really embodies what the year of return is all about, and it was beautiful. It was better than I expected in terms of the message.
What made you decide to do such a film? Because you captured so much in such a short period of time in this movie.
Yeah, and I was speaking to my Minister of Culture, Honorable John King, and I left that meeting so inspired because he's so in love with Ghana. And then a couple of days later, I met a Pan-Africanist in Barbados. And he said to me, we're going on a trip to Ghana. Will you mind documenting our journey where it's a year of return? I said, yeah, it sounds pretty good. Let me think about it. And as I thought about it, I thought, why do a documentary? Let's do a narrative that people can laugh a bit and they can cry a little bit and they can connect to the characters, and let's take them on a journey. And so that's what we decided to do. So I teamed up with my friend in Cameroon, Delphine Ntambe, and we came together and we put the script together.
This is a signal for other people that we should continue telling our stories. And I hope that this encourages people in the Ghanaian community and other African countries that it's important that we work together with those in the African diaspora to create stories that tell our story from our perspectives.